Are you renovating or changing your kitchen unit? At DESKFORM, we'll make a custom kitchen top just for you, including a built-in sink that is perfectly level with your kitchen top. Your kitchen will get an exclusive look, and it will be simple to clean. You can choose from any material on the market, including designed front edge and sink. Our technicians will come to your house and, thanks to modern technology, measure your kitchen precisely with a laser. We will then manufacture the kitchen top from durable, high-quality materials within 5 days in our very own factory and deliver it to your home, where our technicians will assemble and deliver the finished work to your utmost satisfaction. And you get the measuring for free. The kitchen top fits perfectly, and the built-in sink elevates it to a whole new level. Now you can cook, cut, and fully enjoy your kitchen top. Order today and start cooking in 10 days. www.deskform.com